added my outcomes to my course, I can then add those outcomes, attach those outcomes to a rubric, or I can attach them to a quiz bank. In this video, you will learn how to attach outcomes to an assignment. In order to do that, you will open your assignment, you'll add a rubric to the assignment, click Find Outcome, and then you are going to select, you'll look at the outcomes that you've downloaded, and then you can select one of the outcomes. I'm going to be looking at production and distribution of writing, and I know that objective 4, producing clear and coherent writing, is one that I want to address with this particular prompt, and so I'm going to import that. I'm going to click Find Outcome to link to another outcome. I know that throughout the writing process, my students did follow the different steps of writing, but I'm going to wait and use that one a different time. I did want them to use technology to produce, publish, and update writing products, so I'm going to use that one. I can also add my own criterion. There's one that's already in there. I can delete that, but I can add a different criterion if I would like that's not an outcome. So it would not be tracked the same way as outcomes. So you can add that to your course. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that the standard that is set in the outcomes we downloaded from the state objectives, you cannot go in and edit or change those points. If you would like your points to count differently, you can add the outcome twice. So it would appear 2 times in your rubric. So for example, I want produce clear, coherent writing. I want that to be counted twice in my rubric because I think it's very important that they are able to produce clear and coherent writing. So I'm going to count that twice and add it to my rubric 2 times. I want to make sure I use this rubric for assignment grading, and then I will click Create Rubric. Currently my assignment is set at 100 points. I can choose to change it, or I can leave it different. I'm going to go ahead and change it so that my assignment is worth 15 points. And I'm done. I've now attached outcomes to an assignment in my course.